Texas Instruments TMP1075 I2C temperature sensors are lower power, higher accuracy replacements for standard LM75 and TMP75 temperature sensors, and they're pin and software compatible for easy replacement. The TMP1075 is accurate to plus or minus 1 degree Celsius over a wide temperature range, and to within plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius over its full -55 to positive 125 degrees Celsius operating range. And the integrated 12-bit ADC provides 0.0625 degrees Celsius temperature resolution. It operates from a 1.7 to 5.5 volt supply, with 2.7 microamp average current and 0.37 microamp shutdown current. The device is compatible with 2-wire SM bus and I2C protocols, and can coexist in an I3C bus in mixed fast mode. TMP1075 sensors are available in standard SOIC8 and VS-SOP8 packages, as well as a 2x2mm DFN that has a 79% smaller footprint than the SOIC package.